and welcome to Grandad's Reviews. Today, somewhat a bit different. If you've been looking or watching my latest videos, you'd have noticed something a little bit annoying in the background. My squeaky seat. So today, hopefully we're going to fix that and get rid of this squeaky seat. And what we've got is a new seat's arrived. So let's unbox it. Alright, so let's do a bit of unboxing and see what we've got in this very big box. Hopefully it's a new seat. So, some instructions. A base. Some arms. The packing. There we go. And that's the back. It's rather snazzy. And back in. Cushion. Another cushion. Some bolts and things, and the back. Alright, so get all the packaging out of the way and we'll stick it together. There we go. We have to ask ourselves, does it squeak? No. Oh, we'll get it set up and see how it goes. There we go. No more squeak. Nice and quiet apart from the new leather. But the leather will settle in, but no squeak. So we got rid of the squeaky seat. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. If you want to be notified, hit that notification bell. Until next time, see you later.